friends, today we are going to make a very easy and healthy dry fruit milkshake. For this milkshake you just need dry fruits and milk. So come on, let's start. The ingredients are 4 to 5 cashew nuts, 7 to 8 black raisins, dry dates which are seedless, 1 dried fig. And if you don't have seedless dates, you can remove the seeds and soak it in water. So we will put cashew in another bowl and fig, black dates and dates in another one. So in these we have to put water. And in this cashew nuts, we have to put milk. So now, if you don't want to soak these cashew nuts, you can grind them in the mixer and you can put the powder of these cashews in your milkshake. Now we will cover it with some dishes and keep it for 2 hours like this only for soaking. After 2 hours, it will be ready to make a milkshake. Now, after 2 hours, my dry fruits are soaked. We will remove water from these dry fruits. So now we have removed water. Now we will add it to our container. Now we will pour milk. One cup of milk. And 1 teaspoon honey. Now we will grind it. Now we will remove it from the mixer. We will keep this all behind now. We will open it. Now we will coat it with some badam. This milkshake is very healthy and you can drink it anytime you want. It's very easy. So make it and drink it and enjoy it with your family.